Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Part Question 40. Which of the following substances is not a conservable natural resource? A. Mineral, B. Air, C. Soil, D. Water. So the concept here is conservable natural resource, and natural resources are basically resources obtained from the natural environment. So those resources that are obtained from the natural environment and are also sometimes part of the natural environment are known as natural resources. Now, conservable, to conserve a natural resource means to skillfully manage and rationally use. To skillfully manage and rationally use a resource such that it is preserved. So that's what it means to conserve a natural resource. Now, among these, mineral resources such as gold, crude oil, etc. can be skillfully managed and rationally used such that they are preserved.